Okay, so for the next step, it's to actually install the funnel we're going to share with you. This is the link to do that right here. First of all, you want to make sure you're logged into your ClickFunnels account, and you just copy this, okay? And you paste it into your browser, and it should pull up your ClickFunnels account, and it's going to actually share. It's going to say share PBEM. It's going to process here for a little while, so let's just let it do it. Okay, it's done. Now we want to view the funnel. Okay, here is the funnel. Let you know you created your first funnel. Congratulations. It's imported in an opt-in form. It's imported in all the emails. And basically, if you go to this link right here, right now, it's going to bring up that opt-in form, and that's going to be where you are going to drive your traffic to with our traffic system. And of course, we have split testing going on, so there's multiple opt-in forms. So it's already done. You're basically, your funnel is done. What you're going to do next is you're going to go in and you're going to edit your emails and make sure that things are done right. Now, you got to add your SMTP count in, so we're going to cover that in the next video.